Monkey and lizard, they're best of friends, running around, causing mischief again under the big top. The circus is their home, spinning and tumbling, never alone. Monkey swings hard all across the stage. Lizard hops and bops like a playful sage. They make everyone laugh with their silly ways, bringing joy and happiness every single day. Monkey and lizard, a duo so funny, spreading smiles like honey, oh so sunny. With their tricks and pranks they'll never fail, in the circus of laughter they'll always prevail.